Why are airlines spending millions to make their airplanes feel like sharks? You'd think a plane needs to be perfectly smooth to fly fast, but nature disagrees. Meet the ultimate predator. Sharks are incredibly fast, but their skin isn't smooth at all. If you zoom in, their skin is covered in tiny teeth called denticles. It perfectly slices the water. Now, we put fake shark skin on planes? It cuts air resistance, making them faster and saving tons of fuel. Subscribe!